Welcome to Singing with Ron. So another really cool exercise that I've come across through the internet and just life in general is using glottals and using an exercise to help you find the belt sound. What these exercises do is it engages your support system right from the beginning, and it brings your vocal folds together using a glottal. And it opens and narrows things all in the right places, and it makes it work. It should, anyways. If it doesn't, go work with somebody to try and figure out why. So, ha! So, I first came across this exercise as you're going to take, as if you, how it's described is you're going to take a breath of air, like just a little tiny one, and then hold your breath as if you're about to shout, but you don't. So you go, oh, and then you do shout. Oh, oh is usually the exercise I use. Oh, oh. The secret is not to push a whole bunch of air. Oh, because that just causes strain. Oh, but just to use the natural support and breath pressure that you're finding from just holding your breath for that second with your vocal folds closed together. Oh, 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 oh. So those ones help. It got harder for me there. So now a variation on this one is to go ha, oh, ha, oh, ha, oh, ha, oh. So using that little same idea, ha, but using the ha to create the breath pressure and to find that same openness, it really helps you to find that belty, easy belt sound.